patterns there. Nothing rushed, nothing planned, just a quiet place to land. Coffee and daydreams, slow afternoons, smiling at strangers, humming a tune. No need for words, no need for time, just the warmth of your hand in mine. Steam rising from a porcelain cup, sunlight dancing as the world wakes up. Pages turning, stories unfold, lost in the moment, letting time slow. Soft jazz plays in